Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I love to bring you brand new beauty launches to this channel, and I've got a set of 6 different skincare products that I've just launched on the Sephora website. Tatcha Medik8, Sephora Collection and Laneige. This video is in collaboration with Sephora. You'll find links to all the products featured down below in my description, so you're welcome to take a look. Plus I have my own Sephora discount code, which is BeautyGeek SPH. That will entitle you to 20% off products site-wide. But there are some exclusions, but if you shop regularly on the Sephora website, then that code might be handy. You'll find everything listed down below. Okay, let's start off with Tatcha. I am so excited for this. I literally saw this online just a couple of days ago before I received it, and it looked amazing. It just looks so gorgeous. This is the Longevity Memory Cream. I've got it in 50 mils here, and it costs £79, but you can also buy a 10ml version for £26. Look at the packaging. I love Tatcha. Look. It is beautiful, and look, the little spatula on the top. I love the moisturisers. The dewy cream is my favourite. I'm obsessed with their sprays, the dewy face spray. Yeah, so when this was mentioned to me that it would be one of the products, I was so excited. It's a youth restoring moisturiser that strengthens the skin barrier with deep hydration. What makes it unique is that it's got a memory gel texture that bounces back. Look. So it helps delays the signs of aging with their nutrient-rich Okinawa Selecine, which is a complex that harnesses Japanese botanicals. It improves elasticity and locks in hydration for brighter, more renewed, like plumper skin. So this is your premium long-term anti-aging moisturiser. It feels so nice on the skin. It is gorgeous, and you only need a tiny bit. I've put too much on my hand there. It has a very faint orange smell. I'm not very good at picking up the correct scents in products, but that's what it smells like to me, and it just leaves my skin feeling so soft. When I use it on my face, it just looks like I've had a facial. It is stunning. It is so lovely. I love the fact that Tatcha always bring out little minis with their products as well, so you get to try it to see if it suits your skin if you don't want to like fork out for the full size one initially. But yeah, I love that. The Longevity Memory Cream by Tatcha. And then we've got Medik8. This is niacinamide peptides, and this is a treatment serum that costs £49, and there's 30 mils here. It contains 10% niacinamide serum with peptides and NAG. It's designed to target blemishes, redness and pores, and overall skin balance, and it's been clinically proven to reduce visible blemishes and improves the skin's texture within 7 days. It combines niacinamide, which is a vitamin B3 and anti-inflammatory, and this is what helps calm the skin, regulate oil and support the skin barrier, alongside peptides to create a more refined looking skin surface through cell renewal. It's a really light texture, absorbs fast into the skin, and it leaves my skin feeling nice and soft as well, ready to put moisturiser on top. So as well as niacinamide, it also contains NAG, which is N-acetyl glucosamine. I hope I've said that right. So that works alongside niacinamide to help even the skin tone. And then you've got zinc, which helps control excess sebum. And then you've got hyaluronic acid, which adds hydration while helping the skin look plumper and smoother. So basically it's a multitasking serum for congested and unbalanced skin. So that's new from Medik8. Then we got Laneige. Oh, I love these sleep masks. This is a brand new one, and this is Blue Lemonade. It's limited edition, costs £22 and has 20 grams. So the lip treatment masks are worn overnight to give the lips an intense hydration boost so that you've got nice, soft looking plump lips in the morning. I've got many of these. I absolutely adore them. I love the packaging. Look at the colours. That is so pretty. Look. It's really cute, isn't it? So the flavour is a mix of like sweet softness and a citrusy zing. Yeah, it smells lovely. And as always, you come with a little spatula like this. So it's a rich sleep mask, but it's not sticky, and it's formulated with a berry fruit extract, which helps remove dead skin cells from your lips and contains vitamin C and coconut oil as well, just to give you the texture. It reminds me of bubblegum, but bubblegum back when I was a kid. Is it Hubba Bubbas? I don't know if any of you are old enough to remember those tiny little bubblegums. I think that's what it smells like. I could be wrong. It's not overly sweet, but that's what it reminds me of. So we've got a lip sleeping mask there from Laneige. It just says swipe, sleep and repeat. If you weren't already aware, Sephora often have free gifts on their website on lots of different products. It means if you spend a certain amount on a certain brand, then you get a freebie, including most of the brands that I'm showing you today. And the next three are new releases from Sephora Collection, and this is their Hydrate collection. And I've got 2 moisturisers and a serum. The 2 moisturisers are for different types of skin, which I'll go into. But my freebie, because I spent over a certain amount, was a Sephora collapsible water bottle, which is handy. Here you go. So I like that. So we start off with the serum. This is the Bubble Dewy Serum, and this retails for £19.99. Skin is made up of around 70% water, and a weakened skin barrier can lead to dehydration and discomfort. Now this is a unique serum. Hopefully you can see there, as it's a bi-phase hydrating serum. So you need to shake it before use. The colour is just absolutely stunning, isn't it? It's gorgeous. It's designed to hydrate the skin and support the skin barrier. So it combines a water phase, which replenishes the skin with hydration, and then you've got an oily phase that helps to restore the skin barrier for up to 48 hours of hydration. It looks like it's glitter in there, but it's full of little bubbles. And the texture does form into micro bubbles when you apply it to the skin, and it leaves the skin feeling fresh, comfortable and visually plumped as well. It's suitable for all skin types, and it was tested on 100% people with sensitive skin. And clinical results are showing hydration up to 15 epidermis layers, with improved looking skin, hydration and plumpness over time. This feels really nice. I have wiped my hand in between applying all the products, but it feels really nice and soft on my skin. It's nice and easy to apply, very lightweight and easy to absorb again. Yeah, I really like this. Can you see a difference in my hand? Oh, I also want to mention that it's also formulated with polyglutamic acid, which works with the hyaluronic acid in the serum to draw water into the skin and limit water loss. So we've got a dewy bubble serum there by Sephora Collection. And then I've got 2 moisturisers for different types of skin. So we've got the Balmy Rich Cream. Comes in 50ml for £17.99, or you can buy the refill for £15.99. I love the packaging. The design looks really lovely. This one is designed for dry to very dry skin and also sensitive skins, and this one as well was also tested 100% on sensitive skins. So it focuses on intense hydration and repairing the skin barrier. You can see how thick it looks there. And it helps to lock in moisturiser instantly and up to 48 hours as well. It's enriched with ceramides and lipids, which are both naturally found in our skin, and also helps protect the skin barrier and reduce water loss as well. So you can see how thick that is. I put a big lump on there, didn't need to do that, but I just wanted to show you the texture. It has a melting balm to cream texture. It feels so luxurious and thick and gorgeous on the skin. So it's designed to restore comfort and nourish deeply, and even in extreme weather conditions as well. Let's massage this up my arm. With it being a more richer moisturiser, it doesn't instantly absorb into the skin, so you need to wait a little while just before applying anything else on top. You might not do, but if you like, put SPF or anything on top. But it sinks into the skin really nicely, and I think the price point as well, £17.99, that's really good. So this is definitely one I would wear this time of year. My skin is always compromised this time of year. I've got combination skin. I'm on medication to control acne, so naturally I have very, very oily skin, but on the medication I've got combination, and I tend to be quite dry around here and around my mouth, which is not a good thing. So this time of year I always opt for something a little more richer, and then as we come through the summer I go a bit lighter again. So this is the Balmy Rich Cream with lipids and ceramides. And then lastly we've got a lighter moisturiser, and this is the Bouncy Water Jelly, again from the new Sephora Collection Hydrate range. I've got the 50ml full-size version here, and this retails for £15.99, but you're also able to purchase the refill for £14.99. So this is a lightweight moisturiser for normal to combination skin and also sensitive skin. It focuses on instant hydration and skin barrier support, and just like the Balmy Rich Cream, it contains polyglutamic acid and hyaluronic acid, which work together to attract water to the skin and limit water loss. It has a fresh melting jelly texture. So it delivers the hydration but without the greasiness. So it leaves the skin feeling refreshed, comfortable and plumped. And I'm going to leave this one on my hand as this is the last product that I'm showing you and not wash it off. So all 3 products from the Sephora Collection Hydrate range contains polyglutamic acid and hyaluronic acid. So they're all designed to hydrate and protect the skin barrier. So if you're dehydrated but not dry, then you will love the hydration booster, the bubble serum, and you'll love the bouncy water jelly. But then if you are very dry and comfortable, then you'll benefit from the dewy bubble serum and the balmy rich cream. So there you go, those are 6 new products that I've just launched on the Sephora website. If you've tried any of them already, I would love to know your thoughts so we can all learn from all of our experiences. And let me know as well if you'd like to see more of these type of videos where I'm showing you new products that I've launched on Sephora. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.